So this job was a job for these two elderly ladies. This centre satellite piece of fencing had come away from the brick wall, and it was borderline whether it should be repaired, but I decided to bolt it back to the wall using chemfix and some studs. First time I'd used it, and so it gave them another couple of years usage out of this, and both of them, once it was bolted up, could now lock their gates, so they felt more secure.
Yeah, I will be able to, yeah. Great, thanks. That's gone in quite a way. Let's go down below. I think the middle one's a bit of a strong one. Right. How's your weekend, alright?
Oh, not bad, thanks.
Wash it out. Is that in the hole?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, it must have gone in.
You see it oozing out?
Oh, wait a minute, yeah.
Right, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Great. Bottom one.
Yeah, it's coming out, yeah, it's just a lot coming out there.
A lot?
Yeah.
Okay, well I'll put the loads on.
There's a lot of that wood's come away there, you know, but
Yeah, I'll put it all loads on the... I'll probably just wipe off as soon as... Leave it like that. Let it set. It's supposed to take an hour.
yeah,
I was going to leave it longer.
yeah.
I'll come back at lunchtime, yeah?
A few moments later.
So that's I've tightened up those. That chemfix is absolutely top rock solid. I've tightened all those bolts up, and it's pulled up that little unit there. And the two ladies that live either side are very, very happy now. Yes. Okay, so going to use that chemfix again in the future. First time I've used it. See you on the next one. Good morning, folks. Welcome to a new video. It's Saturday morning, jobbing jobs. I quite enjoy a Saturday. People are in, they're grateful that you turn up, and you can charge your call out, etc. multiple times, so it's a good earner, and it's a sort of end of term, school end of term type atmosphere, less pressure because it's a Saturday. And I don't bring any food. I always eat out at lovely cafe establishments, etc. So yes, let's see how this Saturday unfolds. First job complete. Some absolute bellend, I don't know who the hell it was, drilled through the wall. Not taking into account that some walls are only single skin, and got a minor complaint from the very, very picky customer. So made that good. First job done, no payment due to ridiculous mistake. This is what happens. This is the life of the handyman. Okay, Now, unless you're vigilant and stick to strict protocols, this sometimes happens where you totally forget to get rid of all the rubbish from your van from the night before. So had to come back home and empty it. Now this is a very useful thing that and is worth pursuing. A council commercial waste bin, 360 litres, emptied once a week, costs me 88 quid a quarter. So very, very, very good value for getting rid of waste. Well, I'll tell you what, yeah, you're a pencil lady, yes?
Okay.
So I'm just got to get this curve. Will you be able to just run your
Yep.
pencil in there? I'll try and stay out of your way, but
Okay.
just a minute, so let me just get this.
From that point there.
Yeah,
This larger one.
Yeah, so that's got to, wait just a minute, probably there, yes.
Okay.
Okay, and the other
Go
side.
around that.
Yeah, cheers. I'm not going to move.
Okay.
Perfect, thank you very much. Cheers.
Okay.
Great. Excellent penciling.
It is, that's a nice pencil.
Yeah, just
It's sort of a special thing.
yeah, it's just a propelling pencil. And
Looks very useful.
sharpener on there.
Looks very useful.
Looking back at me. Try your best to hold on to the rope. We all have a reason to let go, and it's easier to do, but it's better if we don't. When the lights go out, everything is clearer. When the lights go out, I can finally see what it's all about. Standing in the mirror. When the lights go out, it's you looking back at me. When you wish upon a star just to find out it's a plane. And you think you've come so far, but you're standing still again. And you finally understand. When the lights go out, everything is clear. When the lights go out, I could finally see. When the lights go out, everything is clearer. When the lights go out, I could finally see what it's all about. Standing in the mirror. When the lights go out, it's you looking back at me. Hope. Try your best to hold on to the rope. We all have a reason to let go, and it's easier to do, but it's better if we don't.
So second job finished on this Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon now. So that job was an unusual house arrangement. The people lived at number 1 and number 2, and someone had, various owners back through the history had knocked that 2 houses into 1. So I had to replace the glazing above the door, and it was a curved at the top and a rectangle below. So that's it. First of all, I had to get decades of putty out, or probably in a century old, 1880s the house was built, and then create a template, and then another one, copy it to go over the hole, just a temporary, while I send the new template to the glazers. So interesting little job.